Now that we know how to perform the basic technique for the back, we can begin by emphasizing specific areas. We are going to start with the lower back, as we are going to transition from the basic technique to our first lower back technique. To apply this technique, simply press down into the lower back with your fingers pointed towards the sides. Try to maintain continuous contact with your entire hand, including both fingertips and the palm. Be careful around the ribs, applying less pressure in this area. The focus should be on the lower back muscles, which can become tight due to excessive standing or walking. The next technique we will advance to is thumb circles. Start as low on the back as possible, and make a circular motion with your thumbs while pushing down into the muscle tissue, gradually moving up towards the middle back. Try to keep the thumbs slightly bent. When pushing down with the tips of your thumbs, this can be quite intense for the recipient, and may not be suitable if your nails are too long, as this can cause discomfort. While performing all of these and further techniques, we want to avoid putting pressure on the spine. We will end our lower back routine with the double thumb technique. You can use this technique to apply the most pressure on the lower back muscles. Press down with both thumbs next to each other while addressing the muscles just to the sides of the spine. Be sure to address both sides and be mindful of the recipient's comfort.